Hey friend, I'm Lord Kicks Sam. Now today I'm going to show you the Alexander McQueen, the shoes one with you. Okay, now that is the shoes. First I will show you the shoes detail. It have many apart. Look, first have extra laces. Have extra white laces. The laces same as the shoes. First, paper card, McQueen card, practice card, and Alexander McQueen dust bag, one dust bag, cotton material, very good quality material. Next, the shoes. You can see the shoes. Pretty cool, right? Let me show you around. There's a tail box. Shoes another side. And the shoes bag. Okay, that is the shoes. And one, that's the bag. That's the bag. White shopping bag. The bag inside, nothing. And there's a box. Here was a McQueen logo, the box, Alexander McQueen. Box size label. Also inside have the pattern paper, pattern box. Look, we are Lord Kicks, and there have the WhatsApp on that paper. If you come interested in my items, welcome to contact me by my WhatsApp. Okay, next I will show you the shoes. How good that shoes is, top version. Okay, now that is the shoes. You can see the General leather, so soft General leather. That version is the top version in Guangzhou city market. We have warehouse in Guangzhou city. You can see the Alexander McQueen logo so clearly, and you can see the button. The button have a little color different with the leather. Leather looks more white and the button looks a little milk. The authentic one also like this. They have hole, small hole at the leather, and you can see the stitching. The stitching is so perfect. The tail box, you can see the tail box, so perfect, right? And the button, every detail sell as authentic. And you can see the button so brightly, it's very brightly. Also, let me show you the tongue. If you bought the shoes, you can touch the tongue like this. Its tongue very thick. When you touch it, you will feeling so good. It's thick and soft thick. Very impressive, the shoes. When you wear the shoes, The tongue can make your foot comfortable. And inside the insole, have Alexander McQueen, made in Italy, right? The shoes inside, everything is perfect, right? And the tongue, right? Alexander McQueen, just authentic quality. Okay, that is the shoes Alexander McQueen I want to show with you. If you want other shoes, please contact me by my WhatsApp, or you can search Lord Kicks on YouTube. You will see many items. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Nike towards, nice to meet you at the next video. Thank you, bye.